Hey guys, Spencer here with Albers Air Conditioning and Heating. Now that it's getting to be summertime, I just wanted to kind of cover something that's asked a lot. What goes into designing, your perfect home comfort system. There's a lot of different information online about what should and shouldn't be done. When we send a representative to your house, whether it be myself or someone else, he or she is going to perform a load calculation on the house, which quickly that just means we're going to measure the house. We're going to take the dimensions of each room, the ceiling heights, which way the house faces, the orientation, which part of the house gets the morning and the afternoon sun, because those loads take a factor on how we design the system. So we make sure that each air duct or vent is sized properly for that part of the house. We also take in the time to make sure we do a full balance on the air system to make sure you've got even temperatures throughout the house. But making sure that the system's properly sized up front when we're putting together replacement options for you, that's very crucial. You can't just use an old school rule of thumb for square foot per ton. That doesn't work. You've got to run a load calculation. You've got to size the ductwork properly. If you do all those things, you're going to end up having a system that's going to save you on your utility bills. You're going to have much better comfort than you ever had before with one of your pre-existing system, and you'll be very happy with it. If you don't take the time to properly size the system or design it properly, you're never going to be able to reach your full potential with it. Thanks. We appreciate you watching. If you have any other questions, you can contact us through our website or give us a call at our office.